Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about Nykaa haul. I have a few products and I wanted to share my review with you, and without any further ado, let's get started. One of my most favorite products from this haul is the Nykaa sheet mask. I absolutely love their masks and I simply cannot be without them. I love this. I got 10 of this mask. Like, there was an offer which was 5 get 5 and get 5 free, buy 5 get 5 free offer, and that's when I picked all my favorite masks. And this is something new. I have not tried this before. I'm yet to try. This is gold for revitalized and youthful skin. I'm very excited about it. I've also not tried their black mud aloe vera for purified hydrated skin, and the rest of them I have tried. Up next we have this one. This I got for free because I bought a bunch of products and I got this one for free. This is a sleeping mask, aloe vera and tea tree sleeping mask. This is quite hydrating on the skin, and you do feel good because I've got dry skin and I can really feel the effect on this on my skin. But something that I don't like about this is this fragrance. It's horrible. It legit smells like tea tree because it does have tea tree. It smells like tea tree. If you are someone who loves fragrance in their skincare, please stay away from this. This is just not for you. This time I also tried their body yogurts, which I've been wanting to try since quite some time now. This is in the variant sweet pea and this is jasmine. Oh my god, I'm so loving these two. The quantity is quite good for the pricing. The quantity is good. The packaging is cute, really cute. It has got a very nice consistency and it just melts into the skin. The non-sticky formula is so good. Even if you have got like oily skin and all, it will, I think it should match all the skin type, but still do a patch test. And even the jasmine one, it's so it has got this really Indian mogra smell and you will love it. If you are into fragrances, I think Nykaa is one such brand you have to try. They've got really different variants with amazing fragrances, except this one. Yes, I keep coming back to it. I just don't like this. Okay, so up next we have the deodorant from Nykaa. I have used their shower gel before. Yeah, that is one product I have used before. That is shower gel in the same variant. This is Mediterranean sea salt. I was addicted to that smell. It was so refreshing and I really loved it. So I wanted to pick up a deodorant and I chose this one. I like fragrances, but I don't like that too much of strong fragrances in my deos or perfumes. I like fragrances in my skincare, but I don't like to use deos as such. But this is one thing I had to try. And okay, the fragrance is nice, but I don't love it for some reason. I like this fragrance in the skincare, but I don't like the deo. Somehow it's a miss, and it goes on like you can smell this for a very small period of time, or this is what I felt. The smell doesn't last too long, and I don't know, this is not something that impressed me this time. Up next I have this product, that is a body scrub in the variant silicon sweet pea. I did have a lot of expectations out of this product. Somehow I thought this is going to be the amazing scrub, but this didn't stay up to my expectations. But I'm anyway going to use all of this. But still, you know, it's like a very watery consistency. The particles are very thin. For a body scrub, I was expecting a little bigger particles. It's very soft and I think I will use it more on my face rather than using it on my body. I love the fragrance of it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please hit like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also check out my other videos. See you until next time. See ya.